Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 21, Broccoli Chicken Casserole. Not only a savory meal, but easy to prepare makes for a perfect meal on a cold day. Prepare time: 15 minutes. Cook time: 45 minutes. Servings: 8. Ingredients: 1 large head of broccoli, sliced into bite-sized pieces, 8 ounces unprepared pasta, 2 tablespoons of butter, 8 ounces baby bella mushrooms, thinly sliced, 1 white onion, thinly sliced, 3 tablespoons flour, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 cup chicken stock, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, shredded, divided, 2 cups of chicken, shredded prepared sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Directions: 1. Warm your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Prepare your pasta in salted boiling water in a pot over high heat. Add the broccoli to water along with pasta and stir to combine. Drain and set pasta and broccoli aside. 3. In a pan over medium-high heat setting, add the butter, add the onion, then sauté for 3 minutes. Add your mushrooms and garlic and continue to sauté for an additional 5 minutes. 4. Sprinkle flour evenly over the mushroom mix and stir to combine. Add to stock and stir to combine. Add milk, Dijon, salt and pepper. Cook gravy until it reaches a simmer. Remove gravy from heat and add 1 cup of shredded cheese, and mix. 5. In a baking dish, mix the prepared pasta, broccoli, mushroom gravy and chicken. Toss to mix smooth into an even layer. 6. Bake uncovered for 15 minutes, then remove your pan from the oven and sprinkle top with remaining cheddar. Place your baking dish back into the oven for an additional 10 minutes. 7. Serve casserole warm and garnish with salt, pepper and fresh herbs, then enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my broccoli chicken casserole recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also do not forget to turn on the notification bell.